Welcome to my channel Cooking with Pritipal Datta. Friends, Christmas is around the corner. We are going to celebrate Jesus' birthday today. So friends, how can we forget about Christmas cake? Yes friends, I'm talking about the delicious Christmas cake which is full of nuts and dry fruits. With very simple steps, you can easily bake this moist fruit cake at home. You can also bake this cake in advance and store it in an airtight jar for a week. Traditionally soaking dry fruits and nuts in rum or wine and mixing them with fragrant spices. Friends, substitute of rum or wine, I am going to take today orange juice. You can take any juice like apple juice or grapes. You can see I have taken almond, walnut. I have taken dates. Friends, I have taken golden raisins. I have taken pista. I have taken cashew and some tutti fruttis of multicolors. See friends, this plate is full of dry fruits and nuts. Friends, you can see that this is mixed of seeds and berries. I ordered this packet online. It has lots of dry fruits and nuts. Friends, it has blueberries, cranberries, strawberries. You can see flax seeds on top of that and pumpkin seeds. You can see sunflower seeds, muskmelon seeds, cherries and many more. Now see friends, I have taken one bowl with orange juice. Now add all dry fruits and nuts that you have in your plate. I am going to add all of them one by one. See friends. Friends, I am going to keep aside strawberries and cherries that I am going to use later for the decoration purpose. See friends. So now rest seeds and berries I am going to add into the bowl. Now mix them well. Now I'm going to cover the lid and soak the dry fruits for at least 2 to 4 hours. Or you may soak the dry fruits in juice and preheat the oven under 160° for 1 to 2 minutes. Not more than that, only 1 minute or 2 minutes maximum. Now take a preheat deep saucepan and add 1 cup of sugar into it. Do not stir until sugar melted completely. Caramelizing sugar in low flame and do not stir until it is completely melted. Now it is completely melted. At this stage, we will going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. See friends. Stir continuously to avoid burning from the bottom. Friends, brown sugar is completely melted, you can see that. At this stage we will going to add little bit of water. Mix them well. Now friends, caramelized sugar is ready. Switch off the flame and keep it in a cool place. In order to make Christmas cake more delicious, you have to add some spices into it. For that I am going to take 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom sticks and 4 cloves. Friends, I am taking a preheated pan and I am roasting these spices for 3 to 4 minutes. Take out these spices from the pan and let it cool for some time. Now these spices can be finely crushed or finely grounded. See friends, powder is ready for batter. In order to make a Christmas cake batter, I have taken one bowl. Friends, I am taking half cup of milk on room temperature. Now friends, I am adding 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Now friends, I am adding 1 large spoon of vanilla essence. Mix them well. In order to make a batter, I am taking a metal sieve. Now friends, I am taking 2 cup of refined wheat flour, which is also called maida. Now friends, I am adding half cup of milk powder. It is completely optional, but if you are going to add it, it will enhance the flavor of the cake. Now friends, I am going to add the ground spice powder, which is made of cinnamon stick, clove and cardamom. Now friends, we are going to shift the ingredients into the bowl. Now friends, next step we are going to add the caramelized sugar into it. Friends, mix them nicely so that no lumps will be there. See friends, we require this kind of consistency of the batter. Now add all soaked dry fruits and nuts into the batter. Now friends, gently mix together all the ingredients until just combined. Now friends, Christmas cake batter is almost ready. Now friends, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of water in order to activate the baking powder and baking soda. See friends, after adding baking soda and baking powder, we will have to mix all of them very quickly. And without wasting much time, we are going to pour the eggless fruit cake batter into the grease pan. I have taken non-sticky cake pan. I have greased it completely with butter. I am not going to use butter paper on it. Now pour the batter into the grease pan. Friends, after transfer the prepared batter into the pan, tap the pan few times to make sure that there are no extra bubbles in the batter. Now friends, you can decorate your cake with anything, whatever you have available at home. I'm using some cherries and strawberries, and also I'm gonna spread some tutti fruttis. Friends, I'm going to bake this cake into the oven. I have already preheated it with 180-degree temperature for 10 minutes. Friends, this is perfectly moist Christmas cake that you will love to enjoy and share in all seasons. This is an eggless cake which is alcohol free. Friends, I used my favorite dry fruits and nuts in this recipe, but you can add any substitute, whatever you like, on your Christmas cake. Now friends, the decoration of the cake is completed. Now friends, keep the pan into the oven and let it cook for 30 minutes on 160-degree temperature. After 20 minutes, I am going to add some more dry fruits on top of the cake. You have to do this process very quickly because the pan and the oven is very hot. After 5 to 10 minutes, let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. The eggless fruit cake will have a lovely golden brown color. You can see that. You can check whether it is completely cooked or not by inserting the toothpick into the center, and it should be come out clean. Let the cake pan cool completely. Now see friends, our Christmas cake is ready. The flavor matures over a period of time, so the eggless fruit cake taste is very good after some days. Friends, this cake has become very soft and spongy. With very simple step, you can easily make this recipe at home. Friends, if you really like this recipe, please let me know in the comment box. I will come up with more delicious recipe like this for you on different festivals. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Merry Christmas to all my dear friends. Have a lovely day. Thanks for watching till end. Cooking with Preeti Paul Datta.